Today we'll be learning about the area of a trapezoid based on the area of a parallelogram. We already know that the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Now let's take a look at our new figure, the trapezoid, and label what we already know. The height in the trapezoid looks exactly like the height in the parallelogram, so we'll label this one with an H. We can also see that there is only one set of two parallel lines in this figure, so we'll label these two lines with B1 and B2. The numbers are there because we can see that the lines are not the same size. So now, how do we find the area? There's a small trick here that we're going to use. We're going to copy the trapezoid and turn it 180 degrees. Then we will attach the new trapezoid to the end of the old one. To help us understand our trick, I'm going to label these bases B1 and B2. This is a big step in our search to find the area of the trapezoid. The new picture proves that the area of a parallelogram, which I'm going to label with a P, is equal to 2 of the areas of a trapezoid, which I'm going to label with a T. However, we are only looking for the area of one trapezoid, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. This will help change our equation a little bit to only get the area of one trapezoid. Now we're going to fill in the information that we already know. The area of the parallelogram, as we already figured out before, is base times height. So we're going to plug this into our equation. The height we have already figured out before, so we're going to leave this the same. And we only need to figure out one more piece of our information, which is this B, which is the long side of the base in our new picture. Since we've already clearly labeled everything before, it's easy to see that the base is B1 plus B2. After we plug this in, we have found out all of our information. And we have completed our task of finding the area of a trapezoid. B1 plus B2 times the height divided by 2 is the area of a trapezoid.